Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the check-in tool on your iPhone running iOS 17. So Apple now provides a new way to notify your friends and family when you arrive at a location using the check-in option inside the Message app. So it's a feature where it basically focuses on your safety and it confirms that you have reached a specific location within a set time frame. If you haven't arrived as expected, you'll be prompted to either adjust your expected time of arrival or get in touch with the emergency services. If you don't react to this alert, both of your designated contact and emergency services will be automatically notified. So let me show you how to use check-in on your iPhone running iOS 17. So to do this, you want to first open up your Message app. Here you want to go ahead and open up a chat where you want to check in. So you want to let that person know that you're checking in. Tap on the plus sign and now tap on more. And here you'll see check in. You'll see the yellow circle with a tick in it. So go ahead and tap on it. Now on this page, it'll explain to you how it works. So have a read and then press continue. So the iPhone will keep up with your progress and will keep monitoring you. And if you haven't responded within 15 minutes, it will then give you a prompt to respond. Press continue. Now here you want to go ahead and choose the data you like to share if you don't arrive. So there's two options. One is limited while the other one is full. Limited includes the current location and details about your battery and network signal for the iPhone and Apple Watch. While the full includes all the data from your limited plus, route traveled, the location of your last iPhone, unlock, and Apple Watch removal. So for now, I'll just tap on limited, then tap continue. Now here, this is what the other person will be notified. So in the chat, they'll be notified about your destination and approximate time of arrival. They will be notified automatically once you arrive at the check-in point. If you're delayed or you do not respond when prompted, the emergency SOS call will be initiated. And lastly, if your iPhone is offline for an extended period of time, they will be notified. So if you agree with all that, go ahead and tap on send a check-in. This will now be generated on the call, and then you want to go ahead and tap on send. Here, this is a check-in prompt which will be sent to the other person. Now, if I don't reply within 2049, then that person will be notified and the emergency SOS will be called. So there you go. That is how to use the check-in feature on your iPhone running iOS 17. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.